Good morning, students. In previous class, I had solved theorem 6.1. Now I am going to prove theorem 6.2. In theorem 6.1, I had proved if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. And in theorem 6.2, if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate angles are equal. यदि एक प्रतिच्छेदी रेखा दो समानांतर रेखाओं को काटती है तो एकांतर कोणों का प्रत्येक युग्म आपस में बराबर होता है. Here we draw two parallel lines AB and CD, and a transversal ABCD. Given AB parallel CD, to prove angle 4 is equal to angle 6, and angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Here we see that angle 1, since AB parallel CD, so angle 1 is equal to angle 3, vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3, and 1 is equal to 3, and angle 1 is equal to angle 5, and angle 1 is equal to angle 5. corresponding angles, because we have learned in theorem 6.1, if two lines intersect, vertically opposite angles are equal, and angle 1 is equal to 5, and angle 1 is equal to 5 corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. So from 1 and 2, from angle 1 and 2, angle 3 is equal to 5. Angle 3, it is a angle 1 is equal to 3, proved. Similarly, we can prove that angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Hence, if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate angles are equal. It was to be proved. Here we are given, if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate angles are equal. Here AB and CD are given two parallel lines, and PQ is a transversal which intersects AB and CD at point R and S respectively. We have to prove that alternate angles are equal. Here 4 and 6 are alternate angles, and also 3 and 5 are alternate angles. So these angles are equal. Since AB parallel CD and PQ is a transversal, hence AB parallel CD and PQ is a transversal, so angle 1 is equal to angle 3 from theorem 6.1. If two lines intersect, vertically opposite angles are equal. Here angle 1 and 3 are vertically opposite angles, so it is equal. Angle 1 is equal to 3 and angle 1 is equal to 5 is also a corresponding angles. So from 1 and 2, angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 1 is equal to angle 5. So from 1 and 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 5, which is an alternate interior angles. And similarly, we can prove that angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Hence, if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate angles are equal. यदि एक प्रतिच्छेदी रेखा दो समानांतर रेखाओं को काटती है तो एकांतर कोणों के योग आपस में बराबर होते हैं. In next class, I will prove theorem 6.3 because 6.1 and 6.2 have been solved, and in next class I will prove theorem 6.2. Thank you.